And this is the moment where Psycho Killer, Business Suit Man, is going to kill us. Like, yeah, seriously.
What the fuck?
What the freaking fuck? Seriously.
Break you guys.
Right? What? I know, seriously. So this is just remember the moment. Don't talk to freaking psycho people.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay, do you guys have like a message, like a lesson to be learned in this?
Yes, my family gets to see them. See this, that's how I love them. And, have fun. I really did have fun. So
I'm really glad you came early.
There we go, nice.
I'm glad you came.
I don't make it to the morning. Like, we had some fun tonight.
Alright. Christina, what is the message that we learned tonight?
Don't ever talk to creeper guys.
So okay, ever. Alright, sweet. We shall take this into the time capsule of our lives. Alright.